Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 1941 variant question number 10 and sequence topic. And look at here, first of all, this sequence, if you how we get it, if I add, subtract 4, how to get this number if I subtract 4? How to get this number if I subtract 4? So I think we can get it easily in x1 minus 7. How to get the nth term? So let's start. Nth term, I'm doing it on the top here. So a value is 9. Common difference is minus 4. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times to d. A is 9 and keep as it is. T is minus 4. Chance of algebraic mistakes, so be careful. Minus 4 into n will give you minus 4n. Minus 4 into minus 1 give you 4. So last and final form, I get it 13 minus 4n. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you got the point very clear. 13 minus 4n. So this sequence 1 is over. 1 minute. Sequence number 1 is over. Let's talk about sequence number 2. This sequence, if you look at carefully, how we can get it. This is square of 2, 4, square of 3, 9. But I tell you technique, student technique, long and short. Long working, you know it. Short. In this number, if I add 1, I get 2, then square, I get 4. In this number, if add 1, become 3, square give you 9. In the other number 3, add 1, I got 4, 16. In this number, add 1, I get a 5, square 25. In this number, add 1, I got 6, I got 36. In this number, add 1 and take a square, I get it like this. So I believe it is clear. And if this come for a short technique, if it done long, what is technique? 4, 2 squared, 3 square, 4 square, remove squares. A is 2 and D is 1. Why 1? 3 minus 2 is 1. Apply formula. Even you don't show formula to examiner, no problem. Now you become expert, going to be expert, Alhamdulillah. So it means n plus 1. Bring back n plus 1. I mean to say, because gradually you are becoming expert, so you can do a little bit shortcut like the way I've done now. I mean this way, this working. This I prefer only when it is a 1 mark or 2. Okay, all right, because 11 marks. So I think I divide in this category this way: 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8, and 9 and 10, something like that, 11 marks. But maybe one complicated, he gave 3 marks from here. Okay, let's see. This is easy one. How come 1 cube is 1? 2 to power 3 is 8. 3 to power 3 is 27. You can check your calculator. 4 to power 3 is 64. 5 to power 3 is 125. And this nth term formula is so simple, n to power 3. I believe this, if you do directly, you will not lose marks at all, inshallah. But if you do working the same either way I done here, I think better. That is for secure marks. Now this is into 2, I get 16. Into 2, I get 32. Into 2. This I think should work out. Sorry, 8, 16, 32. So A value is 8. R value is 16 up, 8 down. I got a 2. So Tn equals to directly 8 times 2 R to power n minus 1. Here you see, this is 2. This 8 can be written in 2 form. If we leave it here, full marks. But as a teacher, my job teach you till maximum level. 8 is 2 to power 3. Actually, how come? Because 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. How many 2s? 3 2s are there. That is why equal to 8. And I believe you got my point. Same basis, but some student I have seen, they write 16. This is a wrong way of writing. This is a wrong way of writing. You cannot multiply the bases. Why? Reason? Because they have different powers. This power is n plus 1, this power is 1. So we can't make it. Yeah, so now I can add them. Why? Because same basis, when they multiply, powers can be added. So I mean like this, what I'm saying. And final form is here. So 2 to the power 3 and minus 1 give it 2. So 2 plus n. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This I suggest as a teacher, because 11 marks, most probably this marks or have more. Okay. 2 to the power 2 plus n. Now how to get it? This fifth term, put 5 or into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. I believe up till here you're not getting any big issue. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Fibonacci sequence, what is this sequence means? Actually, he is adding 0 plus 1, he gets this. 1 plus 1, 2, he gets this. 1 plus 2, he gets this. 2 plus 3, he gets next number. 3 plus 5, 8, he gets that number. 5 plus 8, 13. This is at 21. If I add them, I get 34. Yes, correct answer. This is my answer for this part. Let's go for next. Now, this is a very interesting. He said this criteria. So 2 plus 4, I get 6. 4 plus 6, I get 10. 10 plus 6, I get 16. Now, he say that which number you add and until you reach 11. I try with 1. 1 plus 1, I get 2. 1 plus 2, I get 3. 3 plus 2, 5. It is not matching. So this means wrong. I should try with 2. And 1 plus 2, I get 3. 3 plus 2, I get 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Oh, still wrong. It means this approach again wrong. Try with 3. 3 plus 1, I get 4. 3 plus 4, I get 7. 4 plus 7, I got 11. It means it's correct now. So same way, I try with 0 first of all, and add them, I got minus 1. Add them, I got minus 2. Add, so it's not matching. It's not matching. If I add them, I'm not matching at all. So this flop. So let's go for 1. If I add them, I get 0. If I add them, I get minus 1. If I add them, I'm not getting answer. So it means wrong. If I try with the 2, if I add them, I get a 1. If I add them, I get a 0. If I add them, I got a 1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe now you got a better picture of this idea. This is a very interesting concept. You can see the resemblance. Look, his resemblance is there. You can see. Okay. So I think I can say that these 3 come in the same and next numerator. This 4 come in next numerator. This comes same in next numerator. This come next in next numerator. And what is next numerator? 18. And if you say that P by Q is one sequence, suppose what is next numerator? I say Q. So actually this sequence and this sequence same. So let's start. And how to get heat this denominator? So this denominator. So 1 plus 3, I got a 4. 3 plus 4, I got a 7. 4 plus 7, I got 11. 7 plus 11, I got 18. If you add them, I get 29. And if I add them, I get this answer, P plus Q. And he's asking find 6th term. So not a hard job. Put 6 up and 6 down. Wait a minute. He said 6th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6th term I got already. So no need to do it. So it means 18 by 29 I got already. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I believe the concept is totally clear.